In this video, we are going to change a section from face-to-face to synchronous web. If the section will only be offered online for Spring 21, we are going to edit the existing section instead of submitting a new section with the EX management type. To get started, we will need to click the Reset Planning button so that we can make our edits. After clicking that button, we get a confirmation message that the section has been returned to planning status. We will now need to edit the delivery modes. We will click Create New Delivery Mode, choose Web, and click Save. We now need to delete the face-to-face delivery mode because each course section should only have one delivery mode. You can also add a delivery tool if you would like. I'm going to choose Zoom. We then need to edit our time location line to indicate the course will meet for this meeting pattern online. So I will click time and location and edit the existing line. We're going to leave our meeting pattern in place and change Classroom Scheduling Manage's initial room assignment to no. We're going to choose yes for off-site, no for is a learning center, and we are going to type World Wide Web in the city field and click Save. We'll return to summary, and we now have the pieces in place we need for this section: web delivery mode and a time location line of a synchronous meeting pattern and World Wide Web. At this point, you can click Submit to Workflow, and the course will route to the Office of the Registrar for review and approval.